How to fix Tekken 7 lag easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Tekken 7 lag. If you want to fix it, all you need to do just right click on Tekken 7, go to properties and go to compatibility. Now once you're here, go to change settings for all users and enable those two options, disable full screen and run this program as an administrator, and then click OK. After that go to task manager and go to details, scroll down until you find applications that starts with T, and that's it. Now open Tekken 7 and here we'll find it here. Right click on it and click set priority and click high, and that's it. Click high and click change priority, and that's it. Now your problem must be fixed, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.